Hi everyone, in this video let's see how we can configure AWS profile using AWS CLI. Let's go to terminal. Let's go to terminal first to check whether AWS CLI is available in the system or not. Let's go to terminal, type AWS. So it says command not found. That means AWS CLI is not available. So we have to install AWS CLI. Yeah, this is the web page that has all the instructions how to install AWS CLI on local. For each operating system, they have instructions. So I'm using Mac OS. So this is the. So I'm just following these steps here. So I'm going to use GUI installer. So it will download a package, and we have to install that. So the AWS CLI is installed. So let's go back to the terminal and check whether it is available now. Yeah, so it is available now. If you look here, and to know the version, you can run the command AWS hyphen version. So it will give you the version. So here we are using 2.15. Here we are using AWS CLI version 2. So to configure the profile, we have to type a command AWS configure profile, and you have to give the profile name. Let's maximize this window, AWS configure profile, and you can give any name you want. So I'm going to give my profile. So it will ask for access key. We can get the access key and secret key from the AWS console. Yeah, once you are in AWS console, go to IAM to get the security credentials. Go to the users. So here you can see a tab called security credentials. Let me maximize this. Go to the security credentials, then you will see a access key section here. To create an access key, you can just click on this button, create access key, and we are going to it will ask for a use case. You can select command line command line interface. So and click on the confirmation, click the next, and give any value like AWS profile creation. So this one will give create a access key and a secret key. You can see the access key and secret key here, and if you click on this show button, it will show the secret key. For the video purpose, I'm not going to click on the show button, but you will get a key. And or if you want to download that file, click on the download.csv file. That will give you the CSV file that has access key and secret key. Let me show you the file. I'm going to delete this access key and secret key anyway after the video. So if you see here, we have access key ID and secret access key. So this is the access key ID, and secret access key is this one. So I'm going to use these two keys to create profile. So when we run this command, it is asking AWS access key ID. So we can get the value from here. Just paste it and go back again to get the secret access key. So default region is US East 1. If you are in the same region, you can mention it or not. It will take US East 1. If you are in different region, you have to mention the region. So I am in the US East 1 region, so I am going to give the US East 1 value. You can ignore, you can just press enter for the default output format. So the profile got created. So let's see suppose let's run AWS S3 ls command. This will list the buckets that are in that account. Let's run without profile. So it says unable to locate credentials. You can configure credentials by running AWS configure. So since we have already configured the profile, I'm going to mention the profile in the command profile, and my profile name is my profile. So see, you have a bucket here now. So to verify this, you can go back to the UI and you can go to S3, and if you see here, there is a bucket called my AWS bucket 2024-01. We can see the same bucket here. See, and also if you want to see the credential file, you can go to this file, and you see it will have the profile name and the access key ID, secret access key. And there is one more file called config. Let's see what is there in the so in the config, it just has region and the profile name. This is how we create AWS profile you, to access AWS resources using CLI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.